Today we are going to talk about how to improve your English speaking skill by yourself. I think you already know that if you want to improve your English speaking skills, you have to practice, right? You have to speak with a native speaker, whatever you like. Listening to speak to English alone will never improve your English. You have to speak actually to improve your speaking. But what if you don't have someone to talk in English? How can you practice then? It is interesting question, right? Then we have technique that allows you to learn to speak English by yourself. No speaking partner is required. This technique can help improve many aspects of your spoken English, your sentences, structures, phrases, and grammar, and most importantly, your ability to express your thought and idea effectively. So, what is this technique? Learning to speak English through imitation. When I say imitation, I am not talking about a native speaker repeating after native speaker exact same word to improve your pronunciation. I am actually talking about something a little more advanced than that. You'll you listen to a conversation or a story, some kind of videos. You listen to the end, then try to deliver that speech in your own word. I'm going to show you how to do this. When I was a child, when he was a child, when he was the child, my parents liked to pretend others' parents. My parents liked to pretend other parents. His parents liked to pretend other parents. The Santa Claus would bring us presents at Christmas. His parents liked to pretend that Santa Claus would bring them presents at Christmas. So when my siblings and I would wake up on Christmas morning, so when he and his siblings would wake up on Christmas morning, there would be a bunch of presents from supposedly Santa Claus sitting in front of fireplace. There would be a bunch of presents from supposedly Santa Claus sitting in front of fireplace. That's it how it works. But that's one way to do it. There are other ways to do. For example, instead of imitating small portion of his speech like phrases and short sentences, you can imitate larger portion of his speech. So in this case, you wait until the speaker completes a through or an idea, then pause and try to express that idea yourself. And we have another advanced approach is simply to listen the whole entire speech and try to deliver that speech by yourself. So there are several ways to go about it, but what I recommend is to combine all of them together and try to speak by yourself. This is called easy to hard imitation. Easy to hard imitation is based on concept of progressive training. The idea is that you start with something easy and then increase the level of difficulty and of the practice, forcing yourself to get better. Progressive training, a number of studies have found this kind of training to be very effective. Here is how you can apply this concept. Start by your imitation, small portion of speech like phrases and sentences, then move on to imitation larger portion of speech like long sentences or even group of sentences, and finally try to deliver the entire speeches, and last try to deliver entire speech on your own.